welcome back to my channel. I have here with me one of the most popular products from Ocoopa, the Union Twin 2S or the UT2S. Ocoopa is an industry-leading brand for rechargeable hand warmers. They have provided a solution for our warmth needs. So for today's video, let me show you how to use this one. So this one is actually composed of two identical hand warmers which can be attached together with a built-in magnet. So it looks like this. So you can either use this on one hand or one on each hand, or if you want to share your warmth with your friends, with your pals, or your family members, then this Union Twin 2S is for you. We're gonna put the specifications of this Union Twin 2S somewhere over here. And so how to use this one is pretty simple. Whatever is the function of one hand warmer is the same as the other one. So please do remember to fully charge this one before using it for the first time. So to check for the battery level, do a double click on that black button here. So that has got 4 blue lights. That means it is actually fully charged. And then to turn this one on, just do a long press on the same button. It's now on and it will gonna give you an instant heat. This will gonna give you heat in 3 seconds. That's how quick it is. So it is now on minimum heat. Minimum heat would give you approximately an operating time of 16 hours. And then to change the heat settings, just do another click on the same button. So that's 2 red lights. That means it is on medium heat. Medium heat would give you around 12 hours of operating time. And press the button again. So 3 red lights. That means it is on high heat. High heat would give you around 8 hours of operating time. And then press the button again. So it is on maximum heat. Maximum heat would give you around 6 hours of operating time. So this hand warmer has got 4 heat settings. And again, as I've said, this will gonna give you heat in 3 seconds. That's how quick it is. And then to turn this one off, do a long press on the same button. And now it's off. So see how pretty simple it is to use. So I will gonna put the product link in the description box below, and please fully charge your hand warmers before using it for the first time, and also read the user manual before using these devices. And also, if you're interested with the unboxing of this Union Twin 2S, please also check it out. That's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!